Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Russell 2000 futures as they're realizing some higher price action today. Russell futures trading higher for a third session, and today's price action has the futures market up over 2% currently, just off the intraday highs at 1997, just shy of that 2000 handle as well. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, a couple things here I think influencing the markets, broadening of the move higher that the markets have experienced over the last several sessions appears to be unfolding here as we start a new expiration cycle, getting through expiration week last week. Some strong upside momentum and some carry through today and repositioning, it felt like, as to going into some of the other parts of the market and a broadening, as I mentioned, of some of the buying pressure. And the Russell futures benefiting from that as they were showing the most relative strength today. So with that, we're seeing the Russell futures, closing the gap, I guess, for the year to date so far with the other markets, which are continuing to move to new all-time highs. And looking at the general trends, with the Russell futures coming off those lows from the early last week, they're pushing back up now towards that 2000 handle, and we've only experienced one close above the 2000 handle for 2024. So this renewed strength is now at least pushing us back up towards the middle to the top end of the recent range for the Russell futures. However, when you look at that relative to the other major equity index futures markets, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P, all continuing to move higher today, not as much as the Russell, but still higher on the session. And with all three of those futures markets moving higher, they all are putting in new all-time closing highs once again today.